Let's get started without any fancy bullshit. SEO, or search engine optimization, is essential for improving your website's visibility and attracting more visitors. 1. To begin, use Google's automatic search function to find relevant keywords about your niche that people are actually searching for. This tool can help you discover terms and phrases that will drive traffic to your site. However, be cautious not to repeat keywords excessively. If Google detects that you're overusing keywords intentionally, it might shadow ban your site, which means your pages will rank lower or not appear at all in search results. 2. When choosing keywords, remember that they don't necessarily have to be exact matches to what users might search for. They can be abstractly relevant. For instance, if you're promoting tennis equipment, you can include related terms like serving, volley, and curveball. This approach makes your content more natural and comprehensive, which Google favors. 3. Links are another critical component of SEO. The more external and internal links you have, the more your site will promote it. External links connect your site to other reputable websites, while internal links help organize your own content and make it easier for visitors to navigate. Consider creating additional web pages or blog posts to support your main content, and link them together strategically. 4. When it comes to content, practical information is often more valuable than overly professional or technical jargon. People are looking for solutions to their problems, so providing useful, actionable advice will keep them engaged and encourage them to return to your site. 5. Understanding the difference between natural and paid search is also important. Natural search results are those that appear because of their relevance to the search terms, without any payment involved. Paid search results, on the other hand, are advertisements that appear because the advertiser has paid for placement. 6. According to Google officials, the website description isn't as important as other elements like the title, URL, and content on the page. Focus on crafting compelling titles and ensuring your URLs are clean and relevant. The content on your page should be high quality and targeted to your audience's interests. 7. Using special fonts for key content can help highlight important information, but be careful not to overdo it. Misleading Google with too many special fonts or inconsistent styles can hurt your rankings. Always use HTTP instead of HTTP, as it's more secure and favored by Google. 8. Avoid using pop-ups, as they can be annoying for users and Google doesn't like them, which can reduce your site's ranking. Instead, focus on engaging your audience with compelling stories that hook them from the start. Original content is crucial. It sets your site apart and improves your SEO. 9. Keep your website layout simple and clean. This helps Google easily recognize and index your content, which can improve your rankings. The size of your titles also matters. Larger titles should indicate more important content. Misusing title sizes can confuse Google and degrade your site's performance. Finally, using brackets can help organize information and make it more readable for both users and search engines. 10. By following these guidelines, you'll be well on your way to improving your site's SEO and attracting more visitors. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process that requires regular updates and adjustments to stay ahead of the competition. Thanks for watching, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.